In this video, we listed the 5 best treadmill on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality actually. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Foldable Walking Treadmill. The Jimmy 2 walking pad is a multifunctional motorized treadmill designed for cardio training, featuring a compact and foldable design suitable for home use. Made of high-carbon steel, this treadmill offers a sturdy construction with a maximum load capacity of 100 kilograms. The LED screen display provides essential workout data, while the treadmill's running area of 1,003 monitors ensures a comfortable exercise space. With a folding size of 12-15-3*13, 5 centimeters, the walking pad is easy to store and transport, weighing 21 kilograms. Originating from Zhejiang, China, this treadmill is a unisex fitness equipment suitable for waist, arms, legs, abdomen, head, foot, back, hand, wrist, hip, chest, core, and other exercises. The Jimmy 2 walking pad is available in gray and pink colors, offering a convenient and effective cardio workout solution for users looking to enhance their fitness routine at home. Number 2. Golden Folding Treadmill. The Tap high-quality treadmill running machine is a versatile fitness equipment designed for home use. With a 2.5 GP motor power and a speed range of 8.0 kilometers per h, this treadmill offers a convenient way to stay active and fit. The treadmill features a control panel with various modes, an LCD screen, and a foldable design for easy storage. It has a sturdy steel construction, can support users up to 120 kilos, and comes with a customized logo option. The product is available in black color and meets CE and ISO 9001 certification standards. For inquiries, Thomas can be contacted for further information and custom service options. Number 3. High-quality electric treadmill. The DZQ commercial-grade treadmill is a robust indoor fitness equipment designed for cardio training targeting waist and legs. With dimensions of 2059, 501600 millimeters, and a weight of 230 kilograms (NW) and 285 kilograms (GW), this treadmill is built for heavy-duty use. Powered by an electric drive motor and featuring a key panel control type, it offers speed adjustment and bodybuilding functions. Certified with CE, the treadmill comes in 3 colors and can be customized with a customer logo. It is suitable for home use, foldable for convenience, and includes a handheld heart rate test feature. Manufactured by Biscan in Guangdong, China, this exercise gym equipment trainer running fitness machine provides a comprehensive workout experience for both men and women. Number 4. Gym Commercial Powerless Treadmill. The CAT-09 commercial treadmill is a monofunctional fitness machine designed for cardio training. It features various exercise options for different parts of the body, including waist, arms, legs, and more. The treadmill is foldable for easy storage and has a mechanical driving power system. It does not include a heart rate test function and is suitable for commercial use. The product originates from mainland China. Number 5. JM005 Manual Treadmill. The JM005 commercial unpowered curved manual treadmill from Dutroux is a fitness machine designed for bodybuilding and muscle training. It features a steel construction with an LED screen displaying time, speed, and calories. The treadmill is suitable for commercial use and is not foldable. It does not include a heart rate test function and operates using a mechanical driving system. The product is manufactured in mainland China, specifically in Shandong. The treadmill is designed for cardio training and has a maximum user weight capacity of 180 kilograms. The company behind the product, Dezu JM Importing and Exporting Company, Limited, specializes in providing high-quality fitness equipment and services to clients worldwide. With a professional technical team and a commitment to quality, the company has exported its products to numerous countries and regions globally. The treadmill comes with customizable options for color and logo, and it is packed securely for delivery in a wooden case.